Greetings from Buruk Law Firm. One of our clients recently revealed that some Ukrainian law firms advise on the US law without having a US attorney license or engaging a US licensed lawyer. Moreover, those lawyers even have no US education, let alone a law degree such as an LLM. Their advice may hence appear to be just a fairy tale, like this, or this. This problem is drastically widespread. We've heard similar stories from other countries as well, for example, France, Germany, Italy, and China. Have you experienced something like this? What quality, professionalism, or responsibility can you expect? None. Most importantly, given the wrong advice or other service, you risk losing a business opportunity, incurring a loss or liability, and wasting your time and money. That's what the licensing is there to prevent. In order to provide any service under the US law, a person must have a license to practice as an attorney and counselor at law. The importance of this regulation is hard to overestimate. Notably, the Supreme Court of each state administers a bar exam, admits to the bar, issues licenses, and oversees attorneys in that state. It's a rigorous quality control system. As a matter of fact, the US laws explicitly prohibit practicing law without a license. Thus, the providers who do this blatantly violate the law, not to mention the legal ethics rules. Instead of buying an unlawful service, you should have the comfort of knowing that the lawyer you select is actually licensed to practice law in the relevant jurisdiction. To this end, you can easily check whether a certain person has a license to practice law in the US. I'll now show you how. It's free of charge. Let's take, for example, the New York State. Say you'd like to get a legal advice on how to buy a business in New York. Here is your step-by-step action plan to check your attorney license. First, go to website nycourts.gov. Second, in the Legal Professions section, click the Attorney Directory subsection. Third, on the Attorney Search page, type the letters appearing in the picture and click Submit. Fourth, on the opening page, type the first and last names of attorney and click Find Attorney. Fifth, on the search results page, make sure that your attorney is in the list. And sixth, click on your attorney name and check his or her details. On top of all, if you still consider buying an illegal service, better save your money and avoid such a service at all. Rather, simply Google your issue, just like those providers do. Good luck with hiring your legal lawyer.